Welcome. Today we are going to talk about the steps on how to use Google Jamboard in our Canvas assignment. We are going to do it in a step-by-step tutorial. So stay tuned. If you are new to this channel, please click subscribe, like, share, and click the notification bell so that you will be notified every time we are going to upload a new video. Let us begin. Log in to your Canvas account, go to Dashboard and select a course card. Then click the card wherein you are going to make an assignment with Jamboard. In this case I am going to use my Sandbox course card. Click Modules, click the plus sign, select Assignment, create assignment, then give the assignment a name, click Add Item. Actually we are already familiar with this, but I think that this is still relevant to this tutorial. Now we have created a new assignment, entitled How to Create Assignment with Jamboard. I will edit the name of the assignment first because it is spelled incorrectly, sorry about that. We are now in the assignment page. As you can see, there is nothing in here, except for the blank settings. Click Edit button, so that we can edit the assignment settings. In here you may type your instructions for this assignment. Watch where I type my sample instruction. Input the total number of score. Here is the important part: we need to specify the submission type. We have three choices: online, on paper, and external tool. We are going to select the external tool, then click the Find button, wait until the Configure External Tool window appears. There are so many options to choose, but we are going to look for the Google Drive Cloud assignment and a window appear, wherein the contents of this window are the files from your Google Drive. Look for the Jamboard, which you want to be a part of your assignment, then select that file and click Submit. Sometimes it will take a minute or more to load, depending on your internet connection. After submitting, the Configure External Tool window will appear, and click the Select button. Here is the critical part: do not forget to click the Load This tab in a new window, so that every time a student will answer your assignment it will create a copy of your assigned Jamboard. Continue with the rest of the settings. It is your option, whether you are going to have an unlimited or a limited attempt. Just remember that every time a student will submit, another Jamboard will be created in your Google Drive, but I will choose the unlimited attempt for this tutorial, and I will leave the dates to be blank. After you fill out all the necessary settings, click the button Save and Publish, or you may choose Save and Publish it later. But in this tutorial I will click Save and Publish because I will be using the student view later. Notice that instruction for your assignment is now displayed, and there is an instruction that says this tool is to be loaded in a new browser. Let's now switch to student view and see what will happen. Click the assignment, and wait for it to load. This will depend on how fast your internet connection will be. Sometimes it will load immediately and sometimes it will take longer, and notice that there is already a Submit button. This button will only appear on the student view. Click the Jamboard file name. This Jamboard is just a copy from your original Jamboard. You do not have to worry that your original Jam will be overwritten. Let us assume that a student is already answering the assignment using the Jamboard, so watch the video carefully for additional knowledge on how to use the Jamboard. Instruct your student to leave from the Jamboard and go back to Canvas tab. This time is critical. That instruction to the student should be clear, because when the student go back to Canvas, the Submit button will disappear, but there is an instruction that the tool was successful loaded in a new browser window, and the students are asked to reload the page. To reload the page, students should be instructed to right-click the mouse and click Reload, then click the assignment again. This time, instruct the students to click the Submit button right away. Now let us go back to Teacher's View. Click the speed grader and see if the assignment was already submitted. So here it is, a PDF copy of the Jamboard. You can now assess and give a grade. Or you may have comment about the student's answer. Watch the rest of the video. Hope you find it helpful. And do not forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Thank you for watching.